Wiswayanto. I am from University Persada of Indonesia Program Study Accounting, and my lecturer, Mr. Budiantoro. Now, I want to tell you about my presentation. Business can be owned privately. On this occasion, I would like to explain three business that can be owned privately. The first one is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is company ownership which is absolutely owned and controlled by one person in Indonesia, now as a company in the form of a firm or limited partnership or CV. Sole proprietorship is the company most favored by the community because this form of business managed by one person who controls all decisions and receives all profit and responsible for all debts and obligations. The next one is the partnership. Partnership is an association of two or more persons to carry on a business for profit. When the owners of partnership have unlimited liability, they are called general partners. Any business may be operated as a partnership. There are partnership is professional fields such as medicine, lawyer, accounting, insurance, and stockbroker. Limited partnership are a common form of ownership in real estate, oil prospecting, and the mining and the quarrying industry to name a few. Compared with a single ownership, partnerships are more profitable because partnership capital is very easy to form and often gets preferential treatment from the government as example of tax benefit for partnership. The weakness of a partnership is unlimited responsibility. In other words, the company responsibility can be biased toward one of its business partners, which is certain that one of partnership will very disadvantaged. The last one is corporation. Corporation, the privately owned business corporation, is an institute established for the purpose of making a profit. It is operated by individuals whose shares of ownership are presented by stock certificate. Persons own stock certificate are called stockholders. The corporate form ownership has several advantages. The first one is its ability to attract financial resources. A second one advantage is that if the corporation attracts a large amount of capital, it can make a large investment in plant, equipment, and research. A third advantage is the corporation can offer high salaries and his attract talented manager. If privately owned business corporations are designated only for profit, then there are also business corporations that are not looking for profit, namely religious, educational, and charity corporations. Okay, now let's answer comprehension question. Number one, what are three ways the business can be privately owned? This answer is the sole proprietorship, the partnership, and the corporation. Number two, what from do most American business have? In the United States, more than 18% of all business are sole proprietorship. Number three, what from do most business in your native country have? And my answer, more business in Indonesia is food and beverage or sole proprietorship. Number four, do sole proprietorship make the most money? That is, do they have the greatest volume of business? My answer is a sole proprietorship can make most money. The greatest business volume depends on the business in which it's running. Number five, list some business that are likely to be sole proprietorship. Why? My answer is food and beverage because very easy to manage it, and goods and service because Many people are in great need. And the last one, list some businesses that are not likely to be sole proprietorship. Why? Industry and factories. Because many industries and factories are managed by investor and more than one person. The next, number one, what is an important difference between a general partnership and a limited partnership? The answer is a general partnership has unlimited liability for all partners, while a limited partnership has limited liability. Number two, what is the difference between a silent partner and a secret partner? A silent partner as well a person who is known to the public as member of the firm but without authority in management. Meanwhile, a secret partner is person who takes part in management but who is not known to the public. Number three, what are some professional fields in which partnership are found? There are partnerships in professional fields such as medicine, lawyer, accounting, insurance, and stockbroker. Number four, what are some business in which limited partnership is common from? The answer is limited partnership are a common form of ownership in real estate, oil prospecting, and the mining and the quarrying industry to name few. Number five, discuss the advantage of partnership. Partnership are more advantageous than sole proprietorship if one needs multiple sources of capital or diversified management. Like sole proprietorship, they are easy to form and often receive favored treatment by the government as well as tax benefit. Number six, what are the disadvantages of a partnership? One is unlimited liability. This means each partnership responsible for all debts and legal responsibilities in connection with the business. Another disadvantage the, is that partners might disagree with each other. Complication can also arise with the death of a partner. Number seven, which would you prefer for your own business, a partner or sole proprietorship? Why? And if neither form would be suitable, explain why not. Okay, my answer is I will choose partnership because by forming a partnership business, I have enough opportunities here. Meanwhile, my friend have one goal, which is to form a joint business venture, and we are very optimistic about that. Who are the owner of corporation? Answer is the stockholders. Number two, a corporation necessarily larger than a sole proprietorship or a partnership? My answer is yes, of course. The corporation must be bigger than sole proprietorship and partnership because the corporation has relatively large business scope so that it can attract investors. Number three, list at least three advantages of corporation from ownership. The first one is ability to attract financial resources. Next one is if the corporation attracts a large amount of capital, it can make large investment in plants, equipment, and research. In the last one, a corporation can offer high salaries and thus attract a talented manager. Number four, what do you think the disadvantage of the corporation form of ownership might be? The disadvantage might be like to double taxation to stock shareholders of distributes earning and dividend. Number five, the business corporation generally issues stock to stockholder. What types? of corporation usually do not issue stock. Answer is type of corporation that do not issue shares, namely educational, religious, and charity corporation. The last, name some well-known corporations from the various countries of the world, such as the United States, Germany, Japan, and your own country. What does each corporation on your list do? What types of business are likely to take corporation from ownership? Okay, in Germany, one is Volkswagen, is an automotive manufacturer based in Wolfsburg, Germany. Next one, Google is a United States multinational company that specializes in internet product and service. Number three, from Japan, Suzuki Motor Corporation is Japanese company that produce vehicles such as cars, engines, ATV, and motorbikes. Last one in my country, Indonesia. Gojek is technology company from Indonesia that serve transportation via motorcycle taxi service. The type of business that trend to take ownership company is the automotive business type. Okay, this is my conclusion is that there are three types of business that we can have personally, namely sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. The three types of business that we can own, we can also handle ourselves. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.